Joe Elmore talked about rushing off of the scratch line, overwhelming Chope early. Chope talked about feeling his way into the fight, taking his time, staying calm. We shall see, Chris.
You can definitely see the intensity of Joe Elmore right from the beginning.
Round number one. Red trunks for Joe Elmore, steps in with the right hand. White trunks for Will Chope. High, tight striking guard for Will Chope.
Definitely looking to counter right now.
Chope feigning with the right hand. Tentative jab from Elmore, looking for the entry, eats the left. Overhand left doesn't get through.
I see a little cut already on Joe's eye.
Right hand to the body from Elmore.
He tried that switch that he was talking about, switching and coming with the big overhand left.
Big wide swings from Elmore, missing the mark. There's the straight right and huge
and
right hand.
He's hurt.
The hands touch, and that's a knockdown. Ruled correctly by Murgliata.
He's hurt. He's hurt. Let's see if he's able to keep going. He's a tough guy. He's had a lot of fights. Let's see if he can make it through this round.
Chope looking to finish another switch of stances. You can really see that Taekwondo background.
I think this might be over. This fight is over.
It is. Game, set, match. Welcome to Bare Knuckle Fighting Championship, Joe Elmore.
Somebody is excited. Look at that. Fired up for this fight. He was from the very beginning when he first came walking out. He's fired up. He's still fired up. He wants to fight again, I can tell.
Joe Elmore, 5'9", knocking out in round number one, 6'4", Will Chope. Chris, you know, I know, in combat sports, you have to make your physique work for you. Chope makes his physique work, but not tonight against Elmore. Got underneath that range, that reach, that power, and landed his power shots just where he wanted to be, in the pocket.
And that's what he said he was going to do. Will was trying to be counter puncher. He was standing back. Joe Elmore just got inside and landed big punches. That's all it takes in this sport is one punch, and that's exactly what happened. You could tell after he landed that first big right hand, Will Chope was never the same, and it was just a matter of time. We're going to watch a replay right here. Here comes that big punch with the right hand, just caught him right on the button. And I don't really care who you are, you're gonna get hurt with that big punch. After this is just a matter of time because he's still hurt. When you got a guy like Joe Elmore throwing big punches at you, something's gonna get through.
Ladies and gentlemen, our referee in charge, Big Dan Murgliata, steps in and calls a stop to the fight at 52 seconds, round number one. Your winner by KO, Joe Hitman Elmore.
Chris, in our fighter meeting, Joe Elmore said to you, you're one of my favorites. That was a Chris Lights Out Lytle-like performance with those heavy hands.